Hey guys, Stu from Newcastle Brew Shop. Today I thought we'd just go through what's involved in our basic starter kit package. This is the Morgan starter kit. There are other brands available on the market, but the Morgan starter kit has everything you need to make your first brew. Starts with one 30 litre fermenter. Then we get the tap, the airlock and the grommet. That all goes in the lid of the fermenter so that when you make your beer, the gas is able to escape. It acts like a one-way valve. You also get your brewing spoon, a hydrometer, which in a later video we will go through on how to use your hydrometer. It gives you a specific gravity so that you can work out your ABV, or alcohol by volume. You get a bag of brewing sugars, whether it be a light malt dextrose mix or a dextrose maltodextrin mix. You get some carbonation drops to add to your 30 PET bottles that come in with the kit. 30 PET bottles are probably good for half a dozen brews before you'd want to start looking at glass bottles. They also come with lids. You get your first brew, which is a Blue Mountain Lager, and you also get some sanitizer to give everything a good sanitize before you put your brew day down, and your bottling valve, which is used obviously for bottling once your brew's done. That's pretty much the contents of the kit. It's everything you need. There are things that we can add in down the track. A separate cleaner, separate to your sanitizer, for example. Just it helps to sanitize things that are clean. Is always a good option. But we can go through that in a later video. Cheers.